on YouTube? Three Sons RC come back at you in the bash video. We got the Team Corrali Asuga. We're bashing this thing today with some IMHO packs, of course. And guys, ignore all the upgrades on here. They're coming in the next video. But guys, if you like Super Ram Center action with some RCs, installs, reviews, all that kind of stuff, hit the like, comment, subscribe. You know how we do it. But let's get to the bashing.
Oh my gosh. This thing is stupid. Oh, that was beautiful. Now that was just all sorts of wonkiness. I don't know how, but even that broken top arm stayed in there. That was some Corrali tough right there. Oh, hit that brake, and that brake is turned up a little bit too much. Oh yeah, it just ripped right through on the seam. You know, let me see if I can just pop that thing back on there. Keep bashing with it. She's all over the place. Yeah, Corrali Asuga. What a monster this thing is. Yeah, it's better. That was crooked. I'm lucky I didn't shave it. That's a nice spot for the ramp right there. I had to bail out of it last second. I couldn't get to flip around. It was just staying. Next video has got to be the Typhon XL versus this guy, because they are very similar. Oh, last second pulled it around. Man, I tried to stall it. She looks good. Crowley tough, baby. Oh, my bad. Sometimes I try to do like the delayed flip, wait till the last second. These tires are belted, so they don't quite have that turnover and ballooning to do that last second stuff. I'm gonna try something that's probably not a good idea. That was almost clean. A little wonky.
Do I gotta have it? I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta get it. Fuse like a magnet. Won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Pass me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. I send the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. All I can make, only take a step.
Yep. Perfect. I mean, spotted the landing. That was beautiful. You can tell the skill level. I mean, I calculated the angle of the dangle. It was in circumference to the heat of the meat that made it centrifugal force to pull the tire off. Yeah, it's a 3-wheel trick, and it's like those snowboarders that take their foot off when they're riding and they're doing the little lip tricks on the snowboard. You take one foot out. Yeah, you take one tire out. I mean, that's what is meant to happen. Yeah, just gotta find that nut. Oh, nuts.
Never gonna look back.
Oh no, I broke the other one because they keep splitting right on the seams. I mean, yeah, bad land. It doesn't break if I don't land terrible. I mean, that was a terrible landing. But to be honest with you, I can put this thing right back on and bash it. Because look, that hinge pin is not even bent. You saw me send it a couple times even after. That front one is on fine. It's really not broken. It just split along the seam. It's still bashable. Man, what a beast. Absolute blast. Crowley Asuga. With those Duratrax lockups, great tires. They don't balloon too much. Man, this is definitely one of my funnest rigs right now. Absolutely, just handles amazing. Check out this fan I put in there. Hyperflow fan, drop that in there. Good to go. That motor's hot. I mean, I can keep my hand on it. It's a really hot day. Not gonna lie, she handles way better with the stock fluids in the front, center, and rear diff than my XDR does with all the thickened fluids. So I'm thinking I went up too high on the XDR for the diff, so I'm gonna lighten her up, get her closer to stock.